Well guys, you know what? It's been, I don't know, a month. You know, last time we were on, I had my sling and, well, I had my brace and I took it off at the end and I'm not quite like a poodle anymore, and we did a whole bunch of stuff. If you noticed, we got finished with the sand and all that. I said we were going to do some painting. We were going to probably show a little bit. It just didn't happen. I'm sorry. We're going to try to get back on schedule. And you know what? Look, here's that spot where all those holes were. Much better. So let's keep on going. We're going to show you what we did. And we did do some painting. And the room is a little bit of a mess because we've had people over. Actually had to use this room, so we had to get some paint on the walls. And then we're going to show you what we're fixing to do next. It's fixing to be demo time. All right, so as you can see, and yes, I know I'm weird, I'm blocking off all the windows because you know what? It's too bright with this. So you can see that we did a bunch of paint. We did go ahead and paint the walls. Did not get any tile on the floor. You can see we even have an extra bed in here on top of the other bed that we got. So, but I'm gonna show you what we're fixing to start. All right, right down there is the master bedroom. That's what we did first. And we're fixing to take out all the sheetrock off of this wall, right down this hallway. But we are not going to take it off of that side. That will be the last side of sheetrock that we actually sand down. But we are going to take off all of this. And starting in this room, let me see if I can get the light to focus to where it's not just super bright. We're going to start over here in this corner, way over here by the fireplace. And we're going to take out every bit of sheetrock on this entire wall. Along this wall, as you can see, right there, you see that? That right there is a repair where our door used to be. I talked about that once before, and then there's another one over here. We're gonna take all this sheetrock off. I wanna run some new electrical behind it, and that's gonna allow me to access the back. There's my wife. So, and starting in that corner right there, we're gonna rip all the sheetrock off from the outside edge of our fireplace. We're gonna take all the sheetrock off of this wall. And then we're going from what we call the pie shelf, we're going to build our wall back. If you look up here at the ceiling, you can see all the way down through there was a wall there at one point. Well, what they did is they tried to span it up in the ceiling, and guess what? They didn't do it quite right. They missed their mark, and the ceiling is actually sagging. So we're gonna go all the way down, show them where we're going to, honey, to right there. And what that's gonna do is, that's gonna add wall all the way down to where she's standing. There you go, my Vanna White. Anyway, that's gonna add the wall all the way down. It's gonna increase space in the kitchen. Then we're gonna build the wall out from that wall. We're gonna build the wall to right there. And that right there is what's going to hold up the ceiling. So, it's all gonna be good. Just wanted to give you guys an update and let you know that things are kind of starting to progress along. I started therapy, and we should be able to start moving along pretty quick now. As you saw as I was going around, we have 2x4s, we have sheetrock, and we're gonna start ripping stuff off. So in the next episode, that's what's gonna be coming up. All right guys, so that's gonna do it for this episode. We just wanted to give you a quick update. Things are fixing to start changing quickly. We're fixing to start ripping all this out, and we'll keep you updated. But for today, just remember, tell your friends, tell your family, tell a zombie if you see one, and until next time, good night.